fi drop now. Hello, my days.
Look at that sexy girl.
Hi.
Look at this
My days.
sexy girl.
No, I'm not put it in the fridge. The old school, so I got goodies. Look at mangoes. Look at mangoes. Ooh, ooh. Julie mango in here. Oh my life. You look like Julie saw. Eh? We're at Ultimate Jerk. Waiting for my order. I'm trying to figure out what day this is. This is day that came, I can't call Thursday day one still. Wednesday, Thursday is day one. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So yesterday was the wedding. I'm still in St. Anne. And we are at Ultimate Jerk Center in St. Anne, popular spot along the road. And I'm vlogging. So yesterday was the wedding. I don't know what vlog day this is because I didn't do one for every day, but I will figure it out. And there's Jules. I'm trying to keep up with my vlog days. And here's my friend Debbie.
Warm day. I'm happy no rain.
And she's naughty.
One love, not like that. My pussy.
She's trouble.
Wait a minute.
Legal weed shop. It smells nice.
Exactly where that.
So Debbie and Julie there. Debbie and Joyful Julie at the table. Let's see what that man here sell. And I'm at Ultimate Jerk Center. And look, Green Grotto Caves and attractions across the road. That's a place that people go into the caves. But I want to see the cave, no rat, but this is near to where I was staying at the Airbnb. Just 2 minutes down the road. Nice Airbnb in a gated community. And I want to go and see what this man have over here. Like vegetable products and seasoning. Let's see what I have. Papa. I'm gonna buy some papa. Hey. I'm gonna make the most of this. Julie mango. Hello. How much for the Julie mangoes? $90 for one. $100 for one. That's lovely. I'm gonna go get my purse and come back. And some papa. I'm pine. Lord, they're pretty. Wow, look at this. Mangoes, papaya, and pineapple.
You're not going to peel it papa. You'll carry it.
The festival.
We're eating jerk chicken. We just put the sauce on the chicken. The bami nice. Jeez, how much did I get bami? It wasn't fried bami either, Jules. Remember you did I say? Sometimes it them full of oil. It's not full of oil because it's big.
Where did you go last to get on the
I have a power bank. I charge my phone if you need.
We started out.
Started?
You go out. Where you go out?
May I do that, sir? Hello, guys. It's the guys. Yeah. This is our farewell. Yeah. Until next time.
We're not sad.
It's later.
Yeah,
We thought we constantly in communication anyway. I got my pudding, I got some mangoes.
Here there.
And I can't wait to feast
Fish.
on them and
Bun and
fish.
cheese.
Whoa.
Whole heap of nice things we
We
bring
get
here.
pudding. We can't wait.
But me get gift too.
Nice. We can't wait to eat it. But yeah. So we're gonna leave now. We're gonna go on our way and keep in touch. Yes.